like I said, I felt like I was stuck in my previous job. I'd always wanted to go back to school, found NFC to be like a great fit for me. So it's never too late to go back. And you will be so glad you did. So if you're even thinking about school in any way, the new location in Live Oak, and if you have any questions, stop in. It'll take just a few minutes of your time, but stop by. It's July 11th, open house downtown. It's not out of your way. See what they've got to say. NFC truly is a great place to go to school. I loved my time there. I felt important. I felt enriched. I felt their support and their encouragement got me to where I am. A career I love. And 3 degrees. It's been a long time since I'd been in school. And one of my concerns was not being a number. Just another person sitting in a seat. And not once did I ever feel that way at NFC. Everyone that you meet at NFC cares. They care about you as a person, and they want to see you succeed. And they will do whatever is necessary to help you do that.